What's going on, YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. Whatever's in this box is likely from the manufacturer. I have no idea what it is. So let's go ahead and get into it here real quick. Oh, I bet you guys thought that I was going to use that PM2, but I'm not going to. I'm going to use the Lady of the Sea. Not because I want to, but because I have to, and it's because it's the rules. We don't break the rules on this channel. We have another Artisan Cutlery. Artisan Cutlery has got a lot of stuff that they've been sending all of us in the Pass Around group lately, and I'm actually very happy to have so many examples from their company because they've been close with me twice, and I know one of these times they're just going to nail it. We have the typical tin. Those of you who are familiar with Artisan know that you get a tin and a zipper pouch, so that's pretty cool. Let's open it up. What do we have here? Interesting. So far, I don't recognize this from any pictures. Wow, okay. I don't recognize this at all, but I'm definitely intrigued by it. That is a nice, lightweight little frame lock. Okay, so what we have here, let's take a look at the steel. Give you guys an up-close look. China, of course, M390. So this is going to be part of Artisan's premium line. So this is going to be titanium. Looks to be a nice reflective black titanium or black coated titanium with a nice carbon fiber inlay. Look at those lines there. Look how perfectly that's set in. Really, really cool. There's your steel lock bar insert. Big fan of the reflective DLC coating on the titanium there. That is really nice. We have a nice little backspacer here with a built-in lanyard loop. Says Artisan Cutlery back there. I'm not sure what I think about that. But as far as the flipping action and the blade shape, I'm pretty intrigued by this. Let's take a look here. A little bit off on the centering, which was something that I saw on their previous, the Corsair. But again, this has been to some other people in the Pass Around group, so I'm not going to pass too much judgment there. I will say it does feel very smooth, has that nice detent click that I like, and definitely has an amazing action. Very cool. Let's try the reverse flick here with this little... Can you do it? It's got a pretty heavy detent. Ugh, I can't do it. Maybe I need some practice with it. But definitely does feel smooth. Really intriguing. Really excited to take a look at this guy. Let's go ahead and get the top of their tin in there so you guys can see it. In any case, it looks like that is going to be pretty much it. There's the zipper pouch. I was looking for the zipper pouch so I could put it in a shot. It looks like that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So please check that stuff out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.